In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Dropbox subscription, whether you're looking to switch plans or take a break. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Dropbox.com and log in using your account credentials. Be sure that you're using the correct account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Once logged in, take a moment to make sure you've accessed the right Dropbox account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. This simple step helps avoid any potential mix-ups later on. Next, you'll need to locate your avatar. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Your avatar could be your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, it may just be your initials. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu. It's important to note that this section contains various account settings, so always make sure you're selecting the right option to proceed. Once you've accessed the menu, look for an option labeled Manage Account and give it a click. This will take you to a new page dedicated to your account settings and subscription details. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab, where all information regarding your plan is displayed. This section is critical as it provides a comprehensive overview of your current subscription, allowing you to manage it effectively. Towards the bottom of this page, you will find the option to Cancel Plan. Click this option to initiate the cancellation process. Keep in mind that this step doesn't immediately cancel your subscription. You'll need to follow a few more prompts. Dropbox will require you to select a reason for canceling. This helps them improve their services, so feel free to select the option that best matches your situation. After selecting your reason, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Each prompt is designed to ensure that you're making an informed decision, so read them carefully. Once you've confirmed everything, your cancellation will be officially processed. Upon completion, you'll receive a confirmation email from Dropbox, which serves as your receipt of cancellation. This email is important because it will detail the next steps and confirm that your account will revert to the free Dropbox Basic plan at the end of your current billing cycle. Until then, you'll still have access to all the features of your current plan. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Dropbox subscription. Remember, this process is designed to be easy and straightforward, ensuring you have full control over your account and its settings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.